Welcome to HiExchange Platform, the best platform to exchange your cryptocurrencies and digital currencies. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to buy Bitcoin using Perfect Money USD. Enter the platform, select Perfect Money and Bitcoin, type in the desired amount for the exchange, then you can see how much Bitcoin you receive on your transaction. Click on the exchange button to head to the second step, where you need to enter your Bitcoin wallet address and your email address. Adding your phone number is optional, but there are benefits for those who sign up on HiExchange. For example, we have $100 giveaways every single month. Having done that, click on the exchange button to head to the third step, where you need to review your order. You can see how much you send, you receive. Complete the CAPTCHA and head to the last step. Here you have every single information regarding your transaction. You get a track ID, you have our terms and conditions. Please dedicate some time to read the conditions carefully. Click on I agree to term and click on Pay Order to head to Perfect Money Gateway in order to make the payment. Having done the payment, you will be redirected back to HiExchange and Bitcoin will soon be in your wallet. You can also track your transaction using the track ID. Thank you for choosing HiExchange.